Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have September's Boxycharm Premium Box. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so my Boxycharm Premium for September just arrived. So let's go ahead and dive in and let's see what we have. I don't even think that I even remember to pick anything from this box. Like, I completely forgot about the picking situation, but let's go ahead and see what we have. I have not seen any spoilers, so I have no clue what to even expect. So when you open it up, that's what it looks like. This is the premium box, and the items inside look alike. That's right there. So let's go ahead and grab the card. This is this month's card. What does it say? Glam vibes only. And this does go over all of the pricing and everything. So I'm so glad I actually have a card, because I think last time I didn't. But you know. So let's go ahead and start with the first product. This is a Marc Jacobs highliner. Highliner? What's a highliner? Liquid gel eyeliner. Oh, so it's an eyeliner. It says highliner, but that's what the packaging looks like. So let's see what it looks like on the inside. It's pretty packaging. It says Marc Jacobs like right there. And then you just, ooh, oh, it's a fine little point. So it has a nice thin straight line. I might try to do something. I might try it. I might put my big girl pants on one night and just try it. Okay, so let's just keep on going. Oh, there's another Marc Jacobs product. This one says High Shine Gloss Lip Liqueur. Ooh, a lip gloss. And that's in the color of French Tickler. That brings some things to my mind that has nothing to do with a lip gloss. But, you know. So here's what the packaging looks like. And I like that it's a lip gloss, you guys. And it's a really pretty color. You can barely see a slight pinkish, like almost a peachish color, but it's lip gloss. I like that. I was like, I don't smell anything. And then I kind of had a scent. And then I was like, I don't smell anything. And then it's like, whatever. I don't know if it smells or not. It kind of, I don't know. But there's that. Oh, pricing, you guys. See, I'm so used to not getting my card. So this liquid eyeliner is $27. Oh, and I have version 5. Forgot about that one too. So I'm version 5. That's surprising because I'm normally like 40, 80, 90, 100. So this is $27. And then the High Shine lip gloss is $29. So those two products alone are well over what I paid for this box being $35. So let's keep on going. So this one is a Transform Plus, fights all major signs of aging. Fat Glow Facial, PHAT, Fat Glow Facial. This right here is $50. Woo! Get flawless skin in a flash. So this is a facial mask. That's what the product looks like that. And it has a pump top. Now under directions, it says apply an even layer to clean dry face. Massage until it transforms from pink to white. Leave on for 15 minutes. Remove with a damp washcloth. Use 2 times per week, day or night. Can be used before makeup application. For external use only. Use as directed. Do not use on eye or lip area. Huh. $50. So wow. So then the next thing is my little stickers already lifted off of the box. It's an Emma Hardy Brilliance Facial Oil Overnight Treatment. Increases moisture levels, increases elasticity, balance the skin, antioxidant protection. Wow. Look younger naturally. Warm a few drops of the Brilliance Facial Oil between your hands and smooth over a cleansed face and neck, primarily at night for maximum effect. For maximum benefit, use as an overnight treatment. So there's that guy. Now this is valued at $55. Holy moly, it keeps going up. So the actual packaging looks like this, and that is a face oil. Nice good size, $55. Whoa. Okay, so now we have, it says ice roller for your overworked sensitive skin. And it says thoroughly clean and dry skin. Remove ice roller from the freezer and allow it to sit for a few minutes. For additional benefits, apply your favorite serum or sheet mask. Wow, okay. So I guess you keep this in the freezer. It says this is your ice roller. It's your new at-home facial. Made with high-quality surgical stainless steel, it helps calm inflammation, increase blood circulation, and alternative sore muscle tension and headaches. Recommended daily use for best results. I haven't seen one that you keep in the freezer before. Let's see. When I pulled it out, it said this. I'm like, what? All right, so it's just like a little stainless steel roller. So if you keep it in the freezer, then it stays nice and cold, and then ooh, it's cold by itself. I can only imagine when it's in the freezer. That would feel so good, like frozen. Wow. And then just clean the little thing, and then you put it back in the freezer, use it the next day. That is really neat, and this is valued at $18. So then the last item in here is this guy right here. So we have a palette. This looks like it's by Eloise. A Queen Lies in All of Us. This says it's 20 pigment palettes in 4 stunning textures, 8 buttery mattes, 6 shimmers, 1 pressed pearl, 4 metallics, and 1 duochrome topper. This guy right here is valued at $46. So that's the actual packaging. Ooh, look at some little sparkles going on. And when you open it up, there is a large mirror on the top. And then the colors look like that. Very colorful palette, that's for sure. That looks like there's a good mixture of like mattes and shimmers. So that's nice. And this is valued at $46. So that is everything that came in my premium box, you guys. So again, I have version 5. I have this palette for $46. We have this glow facial for $50. We have the oil for $55. We have the roller for $18. And then we have the lip gloss for $29. And then we have the liquid eyeliner for $27. So my total retail value for everything all added up will be right here. That'll be the total retail value for this entire box. You guys comment down below, what did you think of the items? Are we box twins? Did you have any of the same products in your box if you get Boxycharm? Comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.